Now to another big story we're following for you tonight. You heard me speak about it earlier. Before last night's game against the New England Patriots, the Ravens flock didn't expect to see this. Check it out on your screen right there. A rogue firework shooting down at the field. The videos of this mishap are now all going viral on social media. Tara Lynch joining me now in the studio. Tara, these aren't exactly the type of fireworks that you would expect to see throughout a game.
Brian, I think a lot of us were really expecting to see Derrick Henry striding down the field and to score. But before last night's game, they saw this while the players ran out. A firework hit the field and exploded near the 15-yard line. Despite a close call, no one was hurt.
It shot right over my head. I saw it almost hit somebody too.
Yeah, I was pretty shocked that something that big could go wrong.
And I turned to my brother and I was like, this is something.
Videos from across M&T Bank Stadium caught this moment, a firework fumble before the Ravens Patriots game Sunday night. During the pregame show, you can see from this video a firework shoots toward the field, exploding near the 15-yard line with a person standing just feet away from the fireball. No injuries were reported.
I thought it was part of the display, but one of the fireworks, instead of shooting up, shot straight out towards the middle of the field.
It actually didn't even process to me, like, at that time that, like, oh my God, there's somebody on the field right there. Like, what if it had totally, like, struck them?
The NFL quickly had people coming to try and work on the field, because if you look at it in the first quarter, you can definitely see that there's a little dent in the grass.
In 2024, WJZ went behind the scenes in the rafters of the bank with Image Engineering, the company behind the Ravens' pyrotechnic displays, as crews set up for last year's home opener.
We really want to get in the heads of the opponent and get the fans in the game.
WJZ reached out to the company for comment, but have not heard back. The videos, though, going viral on social media overnight.
By halftime, there was a couple 100,000. By the end of the game, it was like 500,000. It's always so much going on and something could go wrong, and it ended up being pretty cinematic. Some
fans say this viral moment and the rogue firework could have been a sign of what was to come.
At that point, it might be a bad omen for the game, and I said, and that was completely spot on there.
Yeah, 28-24 loss for the Ravens. In a statement, the team said safety remains the top priority. It says there was a malfunction, a mechanical malfunction during the pregame pyrotechnic show that led to a device landing on the field. The Ravens say it's working with the pyrotechnic vendor to understand what happened. That was the last regular season home game at the bank. Fans say they expect everything to be back in working order by next season. Bryant?